Isa sa pinakamagandang ilog na aking napuntahan. Sikat sa kanyang towering limestone formations and the emerald green Piñaranda River. Ito ang Minalungaw National Park ng Nueva Ecija. Tara, puntahan natin. Bandang alas 5 ng umaga na nga kami nakapagsimulang mag-travel mula sa Bacoor going to Nueva Ecija. Mahaba-habang biyahe ito pero tsak mag-i-enjoy kayo sa mga beautiful sceneries na inyong makikita along the way. And it took us 4 hours and more para marating ang Nueva Ecija. And mula naman sa arko ng Nueva Ecija, it will take 30 to 40 minutes travel time para marating naman ang Minalungaw National Park. Sobrang nakakamangha sa lawak ng mga lupain meron dito sa Nueva Ecija. And to set your proper expectation guys, sobrang init pala talaga ng Nueva Ecija. But anyway, after a few minutes, narating na nga namin ang entrance ng Minalungaw National Park wherein you have to pay 100 pesos per head and parking fee as well. And dire-diretso lang upang marating naman ang National Park. And pagkarating nyo ng area, hanap na lang kayo ng space kung saan nyo gusto mag-park. And dahil wala kaming baon, minalbuti naming maghanap ng mga kainan. And don't worry guys, sa mga hindi o nagbabalak na pumunta ngunit walang baon, meron silang affordable restaurant na ino-offer dito. And after nga naming mag-lunch, ay nag-umpisa na akong mag-explore ng area. And mula naman sa aming kinainan na restaurant, merong easy way or easy path going to the Minalungaw National Park. And hindi ko nga maikakaila na sobrang namangha ako sa ganda ng ilog na ito. A breathtaking place, I must say. And this is a place worth to visit. And kaunting trivia lang guys, according sa record, Minalungaw National Park came from the word mina, which means mine, and lungaw, which means cave. With a land area of 2,018 hectares, the mythical ecotourism destination is situated at the foot of Sierra Madre in the municipality of General Tino, formerly known as Papaya. The 16-meter limestone walls and rock formations are not the tallest or grandest, but its vibrant colors, clear and refreshing waters of Sumakbao River, and a great deal of activities combined to make Minalungaw Park an exceptional place to visit. And after na nga namin mag-explore ng area, of course, bumaba na kami dyan para magrenta ng balsa na gamitin naman namin para maligo. And by the way guys, worth 1,300 pesos nga pala ang rent ng balsa regardless kung ilang tao kayong sasakay. But then, meron din siyang libreng life vest kasama na rin sa renta nyo. And after naming magbayad, diretso na kami sa balsa na aming nirentahan to enjoy the river.
Kung hindi nalak-nalak yung tubig, paulan. May mga times na ano eh. makuha yung ano, pati yung doon para mas maganda.
And this is just a perfect getaway that I really needed just to battle stress. And by the way, hanggang 4 hours lang pala maglalast ang nirentahan yung balsa, so better to enjoy every minute of it.
Lalim.
And to complete the experience, of course, hindi natin palampasin ang cliff jumping.
Parang ang baba, pero taas-taas pa rin.
And overall, the experience was perfect. A must try, especially this coming summer seasons. Hanggang dito na lang, until next video. Bye!